Soulflower Sesame Oil is best sesame oil for hair and skin. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Highly nourishing sesame oil is widely known as a hair growth stimulator. Richness of vitamin E, B complex in this oil strengthens hair from the roots and nourishes from the deep. Enriched with nutty aroma, nutrients, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, sesame oil is capable of penetrating deep into the pores of skin. It moisturizes, adds a smooth texture to your skin, marks, repairs damage and slows down the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles. Soulflower Sesame Carrier Oil is rich in beta-carotene, vitamins D, C, A, antioxidants and essential fatty acids. Traditionally known for its therapeutic skin and hair care applications, Soulflower cold-pressed sesame carrier oil is a perfect oil remedy for all skin and hair types. Soulflower Sesame Oil is best sesame oil for hair and skin care. Sesame oil is capable of penetrating deep into the pores of skin and roots of hair. It moisturizes, adds a smooth texture to your skin and hair. Add it to your daily bath. Use it with your daily moisturizer for your skin. Mix with essential oil to massage on the scalp. There are many DIYs that use sesame carrier oil which benefit the skin and hair. This oil controls premature graying, promotes hair growth, protects hair from harmful sunlight, soothes and conditions dry hair and clears dandruff. This nourishing oil is widely known for hair growth. Richness of vitamin E, B complex in this oil helps to strengthen hair from the roots and nourishes from the deep. It also helps in controlling premature graying, helps to repair damage and also acts as a leave-in conditioner giving shiner and healthier hair. It helps in lightening marks, and slows down the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles. It is a natural moisturizer so it provides deep hydration to the skin and rejuvenates skin. Using as a massage oil, sesame helps to detoxify the skin. Sesame oil is capable of penetrating deep into the pores of skin and roots of hair. It moisturizes. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.